Albergo, which means hotel, is where most tourists will stay in. In the bigger hotels, you will find that most of the staff are able to speak English. But in the small hotels, or even in the small towns, you might not be so lucky. That's why the following questions and sentences might be helpful. Ho una prenotazione. A nome Alex, which means I have a booking under the name Alex. Ho means I have. Una means a, used with feminine singular names. Prenotazione means booking. A nome means under the name. I will say it slowly now. Ho una prenotazione a nome Alex. Please repeat after me. Ho una prenotazione a nome Alex. Ho una prenotazione a nome Alex. If you are unhappy with the room, you might want to say vorrei cambiare camera, which means I would like to change my room. In fact, vorrei means I would like. Cambiare means to change. Camera means room. I will say it slowly now. Please repeat after me. Vorrei cambiare camera. Once again. Vorrei cambiare camera. And you might get an answer back. Perché vuole cambiare camera? Which means, why do you want to change room? Perché means why. Vuole means do you want in the formal form. Cambiare means to change, and camera means room. Now please repeat after me. Perché vuole cambiare camera? Perché vuole cambiare camera? Oh, maybe because troppo rumorosa, which means too noisy. Repeat after me. Troppo rumorosa. Troppo rumorosa. Troppo scura, which means too dark. Repeat after me. Troppo scura. Troppo scura. Troppo fredda, which means too cold. Repeat after me. Troppo fredda. Troppo fredda. Troppo calda, which means too hot. Repeat after me. Troppo calda. Troppo calda. Sporca, which means dirty. Repeat after me. Sporca. Sporca. Now, let's see some other sentences. È possibile restare una notte in più? Which means, Is it possible to stay one more night? È means is. Possibile means possible. Restare means to stay. Una means a, used for feminine singular names. Notte means night. In più means more. I will say it slowly. Please repeat after me. È possibile restare una notte in più? È possibile restare una notte in più? Here you have some keywords you might need. Camera singola, which means single room. Please repeat after me. Camera singola. Camera singola. Camera doppia, which means double room. Please repeat after me. Camera doppia. Camera doppia. Colazione, which means breakfast. Please repeat after me. Colazione. Colazione. Lenzuola means sheet. Please repeat after me. Lenzuola. Lenzuola. Coperta means blanket. Please repeat after me. Coperta. Coperta. Servizio in camera, which means room service. Please repeat after me. Servizio in camera. Servizio in camera. The last one. Servizio sveglia, which means wake up call. Please repeat after me. Servizio sveglia. Servizio sveglia.